Hi, and welcome to the second episode of Future Steps Creative, the podcast that talks about entrepreneurship and online business strategies. In this episode, we'll be talking about how to make money online. So yes, you want to start an online business and you're trying to figure out what are the options, what angle can you approach it from, and what opportunities are there out there. Now, I've listed out about 4 things here that I want to discuss regarding this topic. And here are the main ways that I think you can make some money online in 2019, as of now in 2019. So first of all, you need to tap into your own skills and your abilities and examine what is worth something to someone else. So if you've got something that you can do, whether it is that you have a special talent, you can make something that somebody else can't do, you may be able to package that as a service and offer it to somebody that needs that service. So that's one of the most simple ways you can do it. So for example, I offer brand visioning services. It is something that I have a system and a knack for doing, a system that I run through with people, and I have a way that structures it in a format that makes it easier for someone to do their brand visioning. Now, most people know what goes into brand visioning or have some idea, but they don't necessarily have the ability to do it on their own, or they don't necessarily have the right set of tools to help them get through it. So think about what you can offer as a skill or as a service that somebody else might need. So the next thing that you could consider doing is buying and selling physical products. So this is something that's always been around, whether this is online or offline. You can always buy something at a cheaper price and sell it on at a profit. So you could consider selling on websites such as eBay, which is a marketplace, or Etsy, or even through your own website, but you're not actually creating your own products, you're buying them in bulk and selling them on. Now, some of the downsides with that is that you have to have stock. I know there's drop shipping, which is where you can order stuff from somewhere and they don't come through you. The goods doesn't come through you. They go directly to the customer, and there's a company that just produces and ships that out. But I don't really believe in this whole drop shipping thing as much, because you don't have that control over what goes on once the order comes through you, but you're going to be the face of that business. And I just don't like how that idea sits in my head. But for some people it works. But I would say the best way is that if you have something small or something that's manageable, if you're doing it from home, or if you have a space that you can buy stock, store it and sell it on and still remain profitable, that's another way you could do it. And you can do it through your own website or through a marketplace. The other thing that I would say you could do is by creating your own product and selling it through an e-store. So this is something that I truly believe in, and I think it's the most lucrative way to do it, the most profitable way to do it, and it's the most fulfilling as well, provided that you're doing a product that you're passionate about and that it's something that you can produce fairly easily and you enjoy doing it. That's one way you could actually make money online, and you can do it directly again through your own website. So you don't have to pay a middle person. You don't have to pay a platform to sell it on your behalf or to pay them fees to use their system. If you don't want to run your own websites and have that responsibility of managing that infrastructure, then you could use a marketplace. It just means that cuts into your profit margin a little bit more. The final thing and the final way that you can make some money that I would like to mention is through affiliate marketing or affiliate products selling. So this is where you have somebody out there that has a product already, or they have a service. The products could be something physical, or it could be like an e-course or some sort of digital download. It could be some assets for design or anything like that. You could help them sell those products through what's called an affiliate program, where they give you a percentage of the cost of the product, of whatever the customer pays for it. because you've referred that customer to them. You've actually helped them to sell that product. So it's like them using you as a sales representative, only you're not handling the product. You're not involved in the development or the making of the product. Apart from giving them feedback on how they can improve the product, maybe you've used it yourself and you'd like to sell it on, you'd like to help them sell it. Sorry, you can always give them feedback on new versions of the product when it's time for them to do their revisions. Now, most companies have, well, a lot of companies have an affiliate program. One of the biggest ones is Amazon. Amazon, if you buy products on Amazon already, you can apply to become an affiliate member if you have an account with them already. And there's some processes that you have to go through. I think you have to have your own website or some kind of way to market whichever products you're going to sell. So if you have a following on social media, if you've got like a lot of Instagram followers or YouTube followers, you could apply, I think, without having to go through having your own website. So Amazon's one. So look at what products you already use and you like that you can talk about online that would help you to make some money through an affiliate program. So with that being said, those are the things that I would like to mention in this episode of Future Steps Creative. Do tune into the next one, where we will continue to talk about online business strategies and entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you soon.